in their business dealings. Madam President and Mr. Speaker, agriculture remains a key sector in the resuscitation and the growth of our economy. The restructured Ministry of Lands, Agriculture, Water, Climate, and Rural Resettlement will have an accelerated, more coordinated and composite approach to the modernization and mechanization of our agriculture sector. As we quest to achieve maximum land utilization for increased productivity, there is need for strategic and concise planning, development and the use of our water bodies throughout the country. We will be pursuing further investments and cooperation in this respect. We note the ongoing increased production of maize, wheat and cotton. In line with our industrialization agenda, the revival and development of vibrant agro-based industries along the various agro value chains such as cereals, cotton, vegetables, horticulture, fruits, meat and dairy products, among others, will be encouraged. Government remains aware of the challenges that face our manufacturing sector. We are committed to ease this pressure through